Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone slow charging problem in iOS 26. So guys, if you want to fix the slow charging problem on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply make it sure that you are using a genuine charger of your device. So guys, make sure that you are using a genuine charger and also using a cable which is also genuine. So guys, you have to simply make sure that you are using genuine charger and genuine cable and that is working properly. So guys, the next solution is that you have to simply clean the dirt and the debris from the charging port. So guys, if there is any dirt or debris in the charging port, please you have to simply clean it gently with the brush. So guys, do this, and after this go for the next solution, that is you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart your device, and the next solution is that you have to simply make it sure that you are using the updated version of software on your device. So guys, make sure that you're using the updated version all the time. And the next solution is that you have to simply make it sure that the battery of your device is not on service. So guys, go to battery and then go to battery health and charging, and from here check the battery health. So guys, here you can see this. If the battery health is less than 80, then you have to simply replace it. So guys, you can see this. You can also see the message when your battery's health is down. Here you can see this, your battery's health is significantly degraded. So guys, you have to simply change the battery, and after this hopefully this problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.